Is Mr. Wali Yu. Okay, for those who just join us or those want to know how to get started trade US stocks, okay. Today I'm not going to discuss about what stock is going to buy, how's the market it is, okay, but it's mainly for all our user to view, okay. F and we call it a FAQ, okay, frequently asked question, okay, ask questions, and then we will try our best to answer you. All right, okay, so to get started, actually, you can come to our website, okay, and you can just actually just click here, and it will link you to the App Store to install, okay, or the Google Play. Or you can get a link. The best is actually you get the link from, okay, your friends, okay, or the website you see, okay. And the moment you go, after you install it, you just go to the sign up, key in your email, confirm password, okay. After you put in the email, okay, and then put in password and confirm password, after you sign up, you will receive an email to verify your email, okay. The reason we do that actually is because of we don't want you, okay, to using a fake email. All right. So after you confirm, verify the email, you will receive all the instructions on how to open account. All right. Oh, after that, okay, you actually can key in, and you can go back here and log in. The moment you log in, basically, if you don't log out, it will automatically sign you in to our, okay, app. So if you have logout, okay, you can go to the login and key in your email and password, okay. And from there, basically, you actually can get a security code. And from there, basically, you actually can log into our app already, okay. So I hope you get it, okay. So this is actually the first step, how you are going to sign up, okay. So the moment you log in to the app, okay, you are actually basically, okay, I can demonstrate to you how you're going to log in, okay. Okay, you can see that, check your email and enter the security code, and then you will receive a security code. What you do here is very, very simple. You just copy and paste. Okay, so the moment you log in, you can directly see, you can come to open account, because this account is already approved, so you don't have an open account here. All right, but if you, okay, your account is not approved yet, you have one open account tab here. Okay, I can show you also the how to log out using another account which actually is not approved yet. Okay, so let me see. Okay, let me log in another, demonstrate to you how you're going to log in. Okay, so you're using your email that you have, okay, sign up. Make sure you must verify your email first, and check all your folder, including the spam folder, to verify your email. All right. So after you verify your email, okay, you can come into the login page. Okay. And then after that, okay, you can click login. You can see that, check your email and enter your security code. Then you will receive an email. okay, is a very, very simple step, okay? So you can log into your email, okay, and get the security code. Normally, I just copy and paste, okay? So I will enter the security code here, and I already log into the app. So the moment I log into the app, okay, so what I can do here is, okay, again, because this account also has a very approved one already. So it's not approved one, you can see an open account here, okay. So after that, okay, you just follow the instructions, click open account, and then you can follow step by step. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes for you to do the whole complete all the open account, right? So this is how is the first step for you to sign up and open account with MTRADEGO. The good news here is you don't need to worry about you cannot do it, because you will receive an email. We will send you instructions PDF file step by step. It's just like teaching you 1, 2, 3 ABC like that. So what you do here is, as long as you can read English, okay, you just follow the very simple English. You just follow step by step, fill in all the user information, okay. If I'm not mistaken, the step 1 here is you need to create a username and password, and then you need to verify again your email again, because it's very important. Is because of we want to make sure this is really your email, okay. So after that, you're coming back, you fill in all your information, okay, including your income, okay, so including your proof of address, okay. So when you key in the proof of address, you need to key in what you're going to submit to us, okay, and the address must be exactly the same. I give you an example. If you stay in Penang, you must put your address in Penang. If you stay in Georgetown, okay, so if Lebo Julia, must be Lebo Julia, okay. Lot 25 must be lot 25. Number 8 must be number 8. Because you know why? Because our compliance team is going to follow exactly the proof of address that you submitted. You cannot say that, oh, I stay with my mother, because the compliance team don't know who you stay with, okay. Our compliance team have to follow exactly what you fill in your address there, and plus you are staying there, okay. So the proof of address can be your license, can be your bank statement, okay, or okay, can be your utility bills, okay. It must be a valid one, meaning that it's not expired, okay. So this is how you going to fill in your address. Don't simply fill in your address not the document. You don't have the document one, because we will assume that your address you fill in must support by the document. Even you're not staying there anymore, okay, you still can using that in your document that you submitted. For example, like your license, okay, maybe you're not staying with your moms or your dad anymore because of you already shipped out, but you actually can follow the old license address you fill in there, okay, because our communications all using electronic. This is just to prove that your license, your bank utility bills, okay, your bank statement or bank utility bills, all must follow the proof that you have give to us, because our compliance is a very, very strict. We cannot say simply fill in. You cannot simply fill in the address that you don't have the proof, okay. You don't have a statement to prove it that you're staying there. All right, that is very, very important, because we have some user in the past where actually they fill their mother home address, this and that, and they don't have the document to support it, okay. So you must have the document to support it. Bear in mind, Astro bill is not allowed, and also mobile bill is not allowed, okay, because you are actually applying US stock trading, so we are actually following US law. All right, only Utility bills mean electric bills or water bill, or bank statements or license. So basically, I like to using uh, license is easier as a proof of address. As a proof of identity, you can using your IC or ID or your passport. If you're using a passport, it must be valid. Simple as that. These two documents is very, very important. Okay, if you are messed up with it, it will delay your application. Okay, it will delay your application. Okay, so after you upload these two documents, okay, with all the information you give us, okay, so basically your income for those who are self-employed or freelance, you just put self-employed. The company name, you just put your own name. The address, you just put your address. Okay, okay, so even you don't have a company, you actually can put your own name because you represent your company. It's more like a freelance like that. So this is very, very important. Okay, so if you don't have if you are saying that you know you don't have company or whatever, so it's very difficult for us to approve you if you write it, if you are freelance or a self-employed, because we need to have a source of income, okay, that you can prove. Okay, so sometimes most of the time actually we don't ask you to prove us the source of income unless you really have a lot of money. Then maybe we need to verify it, whether where is your money come from. Okay, but most of the time, okay, we don't ask for the verifications of the source of income. Okay, so this is how you're going to open up the account. So it takes about 2 to 3 business days to approve your account if you don't have any issue with the documents. For example, your name is not under the anti-terrorist, okay, list, okay, or I mean under a fugitive list, then you are okay. All right. Okay, this is actually the first step. So it takes about 3 business days to approve it. And normally 99.99% of our clients their account can get approved. Okay, if all the way they apply the account, open up the account, follow what we instruct them to do. All right, because this is we have to follow the compliance. Okay, so the moment your account is approved, what you need to do here is you actually can log in to your client portal. You can come to the app. Okay, you can see one client portal here. Okay, you can click the client portal. It will link you to one site. Okay, which actually you can log into the client portal. Okay, so this is the username and password you can key in when you are opening up the account. Okay, just to let you know that the username and password is different with the email, okay, and password that you use for the app. Okay, the reason is very simple, because the client portal is highly sensitive. Okay, so basically we are actually using a separate system. Okay, but you will be surprisingly, you will see all the data in our app linked to the client portal is exactly the same. Okay, so that's why we need a username and a password for you to, okay, key in. Okay, so after you key in, you will receive a OTP. Okay, or you can using a handy key for the two-factor authentications. Okay, so one is done already, you can log into your client portal. All right, so this is how you do it. Okay, so basically I just show you an example. Okay, one of the accounts, one of my accounts, okay, uh using this client portal. All right, okay, I forget because I got I have a lot of account. Okay, so I try again. Okay, see whether this is the right password or not. Another time. Sorry about that. Okay, because of okay. So basically, I need to refer back to my password here. So I just stop sharing for a while. Later on, okay, I
Okay,
can show you again.
guys, just a quick one. For those of you who are in the session and you have not gotten yourself an MTRADEGO account yet, you can refer to the chat box. Okay, so the link to actually get our MTRADEGO platform is inside the chat box. Just click on the link, and you'll be directed to it. All right. Okay. Thanks. Thank you.
Okay, where are we just now? Okay, so basically, okay, okay, the client portal is a very, very important place. You can see that, okay, you can log in using a handy key to authenticate it, or you can using your phone OTP, okay, easy as that, okay. So the moment you already authenticate it, you actually can log into your account. Okay, so this is one of my account. So basically you can actually go to start to click deposit. Okay, so when you go into the deposit part, you actually can start with a very as low as 100 US dollar, okay, to see whether the whole process is working. Okay, but if you think you want to fund in more, you can fund in more. Okay, so basically what you do here is, okay, you don't try to using connect your bank via ACH, because this is for US citizens, because our back end, our client portal is directly linked to our custodian and a clearing house. So this is actually for US side. So what you do here is you must using bank wire. Okay, so you actually can click get instructions from the bank wire. And from here, okay, you can see that, okay, you can key in your banking sending institutions, like for example, Maybank or CIMB. You can put in your account number. You can put in the account nickname, for example, like CIMB, your name, okay, and you can key in the amount. Okay, just the memo, you don't need to write anything, just put it optional, and then you get wire instructions until finish, okay. So this is a very important part, okay, before you TT the money to our clearinghouse or custodian in US. Okay, do this step first before you wire the money. All right. So after that, you can come back to the apps. Okay, you can see fund account here. Okay, because you already create the information. For example, like 1,000, you just add, and after that, you actually can send this information to your email. Okay, and you follow the last step where actually you log into your banking portal and key in all these informations and click it and send it. Just to let you know, we don't charge a single cent for this process. However, your bank will charge you certain fees. Okay, so you have to ask your bank how much it charge. Normally it's ranging from USD $10 to 25 US dollar. All right, so I have to let you know about this part. Okay, so I don't want you to uh, ask us why actually we receive I mean your account actually receive less than the amount you actually sending. because this is all charged by the banks. Okay, it's not even charged by us. We don't charge you a single cent. Okay, so this is a very important. Okay, so the moment you're funding in, okay, your money normally will credited to your account within 2 to 3 business days. Sometimes it's fast only within 1 day only. Okay, meaning that morning you just TT, in the evening you can see the money inside your account already. So the money is inside your account, you are basically can see your net value there. Okay, how much is it? Let's say you fund in $100, it will become $100. Okay, $200 will become $200. All right, and then after that, okay, basically, or you can start trading already. As simple as that. Okay, so just to let you know, you cannot fund in using credit cards. Okay, okay, up to last year September, okay, we are still able to receive it, but however, under the according to the US SEC law, they are not allowed, okay, people fund in using credit card. Okay, even from overseas. Okay, for US citizen, definitely they cannot fund in using credit card. Okay, so the only way for the overseas client to fund in actually is through the wire. In US they call it wire. In Malaysia we call it TT, or telegraphic transfer. All right, okay, so this is how you're going to fund in. All right, okay, so after you're funding in, you actually can start buy your favorite stock already. How to buy the stock is very simple. You just come to search stock here. You just actually can search any stock that you want to buy. For example, you can choose the name if you don't know the ticker. In US stock, we don't using number like in Hong Kong. Okay, we're not using the Hong Kong style, which actually are using a number or the Bursa style. It's all using ticker, we call it. For example, Starbucks, the ticker is SBUX. Okay, you can come to our website here. You can see this is some example of the ticker here. Okay, so sorry, I came to the app here. You can see, okay, Starbucks is SBUX. So you can actually key in the ticker, or you can key in the full name of the stock that you want to buy. Okay, for example, I key in the full name here. I just key in Star. I think you'll come out a lot of things about Star One. Okay, all the words about Star One. Okay, so STAR. Okay, okay, SBUX. Okay, I key in Starbucks full name. You can see Starbucks come out already. So you can click Starbucks. Okay, so you can click buy, and you can see ask and bid. Okay, so normally if you want to buy the stock instantly during the market hour, the market hour for US market hour is 9:30 p.m. okay, to 4 a.m. our time. In US New York time is 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. We are 12 hours behind New York. Simple as that. All right. So if when this is actually already you already have a fund in your account, you actually can directly key in the ask price that you want to buy. If you want to buy instantly, or you can using buy market. Buy market meaning that whatever price market give it to you, when the market is open, you will get it. Okay, but if you think that you want to buy limit, you can click buy limit, and you actually can key in, okay, the price that you want to buy. For example, you think Starbucks current price is too high. Okay, so what you do here is you can key in, you want to buy Starbucks at $100, you can put $100. Okay, and you can put a quantity 1. Okay, in US again you can buy one stock. The good news here is it's not like Malaysia, you have to buy minimum 100 stock. In US you can buy one stock. One stock actually is quite expensive already in US. Okay, most of the blue chip stock is very expensive. All right, okay, but again I say you can actually slowly accumulate it and grow rich, okay, in under 5 to 10 years time if you buy all this blue chip. Okay, you no need to worried about what happened. Okay, we actually guide our user also in other sessions, like which I believe, you know, if you attended our webinar, the recorded one, you will see, okay, how is the method for you to grow rich in a long-term basis if you come to investing. So the moment after that, you just send the order. So the moment you send the order, okay, you can see your order, because today market is closed, but if a live one, okay, you can see your order in the pending order here. So when the market is open, if the Starbucks stock is go down touching your limit stock, your stock will be executed, and you can see in the live position. Okay, you can see in the live position. Okay, so it is simple as that. Okay, so basically we have one new user joining in, Mr. Lu Chi Hyung. Okay, Mr. Lu, okay, if you can hear me, please, you know, you can unmute your mic and ask us any questions about anything about US stocks. We are very happy to answer you. Mr. Lu, are you there? Okay, if you are there, okay, you have any questions about US stocks, okay, you can just unmute your mic, okay, and ask us. If you don't want to unmute your mic or you don't have mic, you can type there, and Dr. Peter is going to convey your message and we're going to answer you now. Okay, Mr. Lu, do you have any question? Hi, Mr. Lu. Yeah, good to see you. Okay. Yeah, you have to unmute your mic. We cannot hear you. Okay, we can see you. It's a bit dark, but it's okay. Yeah, now we can hear you.
Hello, Mr. Lu. Good evening.
No question, huh? Okay, no question. We can, yeah, we can continue. Okay, with our app, how you're going to use it. Okay, just now we already mentioned how you're going to buy stock after you fund in. So the process is start from install the app, where actually you can get from our website, or you can get the link. For example, now if let's say you haven't installed the app, you can get the link. You click the link using your mobile, you can directly, okay, you can directly, what do you call it? You can directly install it. After you install it, okay, you just log in, okay, and then key in your password, get the security code from your email. For that, you really have to verify your email first, because we don't want people using the back to install.
Okay.
Yeah, Mr. Lu. Yeah, good to see you.
Yeah. So, what stock can buy now?
What stock can buy?
Good question.
Okay, Mr. Lu. Okay, this is a very good question. First of all, are you the MTRADEGO user already or not?
No.
No, can you do us a favor? Can you become our MTRADEGO user later on?
Okay.
Okay, okay. I mark your words now.
But the thing is, this one is I'm from Malaysia. This one is no, is approved by the SC or not?
Okay, this is a very very good question. Okay, SC is basically before we actually go to LOFSA. Okay, we actually meet SC before. Okay, basically, if you want to trade US stock directly, okay, not via the local bank. Okay, so basically a local bank, if you want to trade US stock, is very expensive. So what SC advise us here is actually go to LOFSA. Okay, so basically we get a license from LOFSA. Okay, So after that, we team up with our custodian and clearing house in the US. Okay. So your money, rest assured, is safe because you're going to TT your money, okay, directly to our clearing house and the custodian in the US, and your money is parked under a JP Morgan. All right. Okay. So basically, you actually can fund in and withdraw, okay, all under your bank account. As I said earlier, you cannot fund in using credit card or using third-party account because this is actually against the AMLA, okay, which is anti-money laundering. Okay, so you must using your own account. So basically, I don't have, I think, have any issue, okay, as long as, okay, you are actually not laundering money and you can prove yourself, okay, this is a genuine income from yourself or genuine profit from your business. Okay, so basically because US SEC rules, to be very frank, is more strengthened than the SC rules in Malaysia. All right, so we are very emphasized on that things. All right. So again, another thing here is our custodian here is bigger than, the size is bigger than the, in terms of market capitalizations, is bigger than the largest bank in Malaysia. All right.
Mm.
Okay. So the good news here is you can directly buy from our app. I hope this
Oh,
will be yeah, okay, Mr. Low. Okay, I hope this will be answer to you. Okay. Okay. So you have any question? Like I say, okay, the moment you sign up with our app, okay, you actually can go to our website. Oh, I believe Peter already provide you the link there. Peter, you provide the link there already, right? Okay. So you actually can click that link to install the app. Okay. So
uh-huh.
the moment you install the app, okay, you actually can sign up. Okay, sign up with your email and password and verify your email. And after that, you can actually go to the open account, okay, and basically from there you can directly key in all the informations, okay. You have any questions or whatever, we are very, very happy to help you. We'll add you in inside our group also, our WhatsApp group, okay, the moment you sign up. So if you have any questions there, you can ask there. All right. So we will help you step by step. The good news, you are come along with us. If you compare to uh if you compare to I mean what do you call it, others broker, okay, which actually from Singapore and Hong Kong, our advantage here is your order will directly route to US rather than go through Hong Kong, Singapore, okay. And of course our support, we have a local support to give it to you, where basically you can ask anything, okay, using WhatsApp, okay, and we will respond you within 24 hours. We'll respond you your email, or once your account is approved, you can email to us any type of questions. We will rest assured we will respond you within 24 hours business day. So if you directly go to the US broker, I won't think that you can get that kind of service. All right. Okay, so come back to what stock is going to buy. Okay, I think Mr. Lu, this is the questions that I think a lot of audience will be very, very interested, want to know. Okay, I just let you know that, okay, what is your objective, Mr. Lu? Okay,
OGG, make money.
I know everybody is going to make money. Is your objective is going to like casino or 1 month, 1 year, 3 year, 5 years?
Oh, no, uh, around 1 month.
Around 1 month. Okay. All right. Okay. When you're talking about around 1 month time, this is not called investing, and this is called trading, Mr. Lu. Okay.
Oh,
Yes. Okay. And trading involve, to be very frank, higher risk if compared to investing.
mm,
Okay. Okay. So far, if you, let's say you want to make money in 1 month period, you really have to go through tradings a lot. Okay. Have a very strong discipline. Okay. And nobody assure you, even they give you the best stock to buy. Okay. 1 month time, you can make money one. Okay.
mm,
Even I give you the stock, like for example, the blue chip stock that we selected here, like Amazon, you can see, McDonald's,
mm.
okay, Starbucks, okay. If you buy today, okay, not, we cannot sure that saying that 1 month you can make money one.
Oh,
Yeah, but you want to learn about options, you can collect premium from the option. Yes.
Mike,
Okay.
before that, can I just make a suggestion? Maybe you can share with Mr. Lu some videos of our testimonies of, of MTRADEGO clients. Maybe it'd be good for Mr. Lu to take a look.
Okay, you hold on for a while. The
Yeah, Mr.
video.
Lu, I mean, thanks. So now we understand how to address your concern. So, I mean, over here, we like to show you what is realistic, what is doable, and what are the things that we should pursue lah. I mean, we are here. I mean, we are here basically to assist the best that we can. But I mean, like most importantly, we need to let our users know. We need to let our clients or our consumers know. Okay, the thing that is doable lah. I mean, we're not here to promise heaven and sky and earth and all, but we want to give you what is realistic, what can be achieved, so that you can draft out your plan. You can plan out what is the kind of return that you'd like to get lah. Okay.
Okay, so yeah, okay, this is one of our, last year he just joined us. Okay, and he is our member. Okay, so Mr. Felix is actually a retired engineers in engineering and oil, and how actually he shared with us. Okay, after using MTRADEGO. All right, Mr. Lu, maybe you can enjoy this video for a while.
My name is Felix. I'd like to share you my story. Last year,
Mike, maybe you can put the
when we were
volume louder.
having the Malaysia MCO means to join.
You actually can put a YouTube link to Mr. Lu to see it yourself. Okay. Yeah. This is the largest volume already, Peter.
It was in May 2020. Few factors I was looking for the expert role were: firstly, a company with sound financial liability, equipped with experienced resources, and be able to provide training. Secondly, a company with efficient tools so that we can use for trading easily. Thirdly, where there is a club in this company where keen investors like myself and you really, that will be able to share our learnings, share the stocks, share catalysts or stories behind it, and we can learn from that. So till today, I think that all these three factors have been my stocks that I have. I was glad to pick up, and then profit could go up as high as 17% or more. As you know that the market is volatile, up and downs. What is important is that how we manage the risks when there is a fall, or you take the opportunity to pick up the dips at discounted rates. I must say that in this process, Mike has been able to provide all these services to many joint meetings and nights that we learn more about the stock markets, understand the fundamentals, what are the strategies to what stocks that you should buy. And of course, if the stocks are not performing, how do you limit and be able to also recover from them using different option strategies. With that, Mike has a very unique way of teaching us to go by basics, step by steps, and then from there that you go up to a different level with practices and giving us the opportunity so that we ourselves will be self-confident in the market trading or investment. Of course, he always mentioned that you must try your best not to follow what people say, but also to do your own review. So I have really enjoyed all this time with the group, especially with MTRADEGO, and is very satisfied with what we have paid for. I always say that your success will not end here if you do not share with others. My granddaughter used to say with a famous saying, sharing is caring. So I'm sharing with you today so that you will know the great opportunity in this US stock market, that it is possible that you will find your financial freedom to gain more, especially with this COVID things, that you have more time at home and use the MTRADE systems applications to do your investment or trading. So with that, don't miss the opportunity. We are set up for success. So you will not fail. And investment is not just a short term, a year, 2 years, but it's long term. So I am very confident with MTRADEGO and with all my new friends, we will be able to achieve this. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Fantastic. Thanks, Felix.
Yeah, thanks, Felix. Okay, so the real one of our user, Mr. Felix, and I mean this is something I believe I can't give you an answer when you ask me to saying that your target is 1 month time. Okay. However, if you really want to learn, okay, we are not only we are not only teaching you, okay, about stock. We are teaching you about options also, Mr. Luke. Okay, we actually option you can use it to collect the premium. Okay, you can collect the premium, okay, from the stock that you are holding. If the stock is not going up, okay, this is one of the uniqueness that we guide our students. What if the stock is not going up? How can you make money or income from it? So if you are holding what you call it a blue chip stock, okay. So basically, we do believe that, okay, you, okay, have this what you call it power to write the options and get a consistent income from it. Okay, so again, You know, this is you can write a monthly options to collect the premium. But again, like what Felix say here is, uh, when the market is down or what, sometimes we have to learn what we're going to do. Whether are we going to buy more, or if the company fundamental is deteriorate, we're going to just cut it and how to recover from it. So we have options 101, 202, and 303, which the option 303, most, I would say 99.99% of our user already making money. Okay, so beside managing your stock, we also guide you how to managing, okay, your risk by using options. Okay, so this is all up to your expectation. Okay, so don't, because in US stock, it's not like Bursa. I myself trade a bit of Bursa stock, which I believe, okay, is more like a casino style in Bursa. Sorry to say that, okay, because if you don't have any insider informations, very difficult for you to make money in Bursa, okay? And most of the blue chip stocks, if you buy at the wrong price, you cannot do anything besides waiting. But in US stock, if you buy a blue chip stock, for example, like Starbucks, you basically can write the options, for example, like a call options. Okay, you can write a option called cover call, where basically you can get the income from the stock, even though the stock is not going up or going down. Okay, so this is the uniqueness if you compare to US stock to other market like in Bursa or Hong Kong or Singapore. And another good thing about US stock here is US stock liquidity is the highest at the whole world. So you don't need to worry that you buy certain stock, you cannot get out from it. It's very, very unlikely unless it is an OTC stock. So OTC stock, of course, we're not going to discuss here, okay, because it's more a high risk stock, okay. Unless it's an ADR OTC, that is different, okay. So you require a lot of knowledge, okay, and practice. You have to give yourself at least 1 year, okay, to learn like Felix, okay, and our others members, okay. So from here, you will know that actually US stock will provide you actually a playing field, a very fair playing field, meaning that there is no cornering, there is no insider trading or whatever. Okay, as long as you have the skill, okay, as long as you know what to do, you can make money anytime. Even the market crash, you can buy a put options. Okay, so when you buy a put option, you make a lot of money when there's a stock market crash. Okay, so of course that is the thing about US stock. Okay, Malaysian stock is unlikely you can do that. Okay, so putting another simple term here is, if you are trading in US stock, if you are right, you can make money anytime, even the worst time when the market crash. Okay, because they provide you a lot of tools. Okay, you can play the ETF also, the index ETF. You actually can buy a put options by paying a little bit premium. When the stock market crash, you can make money from there. Okay, so that's the thing I need to let you know, okay, Mr. Lu, where you can have a lot of options rather than just stay there if the market is crashed, like what happened in a lot of market. In US stock, no. Market not moving, you can make money. The market goes sideways, you can make money. The market go up, you can make money. The market go down, you can make money, as long as you are using the right strategy. Okay. But Malaysia stock, if the market crash, you cannot make money unless you are short selling, which actually I would believe a lot of people heard about short selling, they get very, very excited. To be very frank, short selling can be very excited if you have a lot of capital and have a lot of hedging too. If not, when the market turn around, uh, be very, very careful. You can burn your account very, very fast. Because when it comes to short selling, your risk is unlimited. Okay? But when it comes to long the stock, your risk is only zero when the market go down to zero. So it's unlikely a stock, blue chip stock can go down to the zero, the price. Okay. So this is I have to I would call it advise a lot of people who are actually reading a lot of story about short seller, how they make money from the market. Okay. It's not easy as you think. Okay, because they are professional, they have a lot of money, they have a lot of instruments. However, if you buy a put option, you don't need to worry because you just pay a bit premium. Okay, so the premium you pay maybe is 110 or 210 or 10 to 20% of the total price of the stock or the indexes. So if the stock really push down, go down, you are making many times of return. Okay, but okay, like I say in Malaysia, you cannot buy a put option. In Hong Kong, even if you have put options warrant or whatever, the market is not liquidity, is highly manipulated. But in US, the market is very liquid. Okay, it's unlikely for any big fund to manipulate it, especially for blue chip stock with the market cap more than 10 billion US dollar above. I hope this answer you, Mr. Lu.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So if you want to learn more, the first step here is very simple. Okay, install our app, open an account, 5 to 10 minutes time. Okay, if you have any questions, okay, Peter will send you a link to join our WhatsApp group. Peter, okay, please send into the chat there. Okay, then the moment you come into a WhatsApp group, you are very personal to us already. Okay, because you can ask us any questions you want. Okay, so the moment your account is approved, you can communicate with us using email, or if really urgent, okay, you actually can WhatsApp us also. We will try to answer you.
Before that, Mr. Lu, just like to check with you. How did you get entrance into this Zoom session so that it'll be easier for us to follow up with each other?
Pardon?
I just want to check with Mr. Lu. From where did Mr. Lu get the access into our Zoom session so it's easier for us to follow up with each other?
Or from the WhatsApp?
From the WhatsApp chat group, is it?
I believe that Mr. Lu actually is we get Mr. Lu is when actually Mr. Lu do sign up with our webinar, correct or not, Mr. Lu? The recorded webinar. And then you receive actually a WhatsApp from the system. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So Mr. Lu actually we can invite you to our WhatsApp group, like I say, a very big group, not say so big lah, around 100 to 150 people inside there. Okay, but this is actually the group for those who haven't account is not approved yet one. Once your account is approved, you will go into another bigger group, which actually with all our members, we can discuss any stock, any question you ask. Okay, we are very happy to answer you on that. Okay, and the best thing here is you can share with our member how actually, especially those are very senior member, we call it. Okay, around 1 year already. Okay, they with us, they learn a lot of things like options. Okay, where they actually can make money, regardless how's the market directions. Any more questions, Mr. Lu?
No.
Okay, good. All right. Okay.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Whether the government allow or not?
Definitely yes. Okay, definitely yes. Okay, I say unless your money is the money laundering, that one definitely no. Okay, as long as your money, all this you are go through the AMLA system. okay, because we actually submit our report to Bank Negara every year. We submit our audited account, okay, to LOPSA. We have a professionality indemnity license of 1 million ringgit. Okay, this is as long as like I say already, okay, your account, okay, is approved, okay, with all the sufficient documents, okay, it's not an issue, okay, yeah, all right. Tax issue, if you're worried, I just let you know, up to this moment, Malaysians government not tax any gain from US stock yet, okay. We don't know in the future, but we don't believe it. If let's say they tax it, it will be like this. You are considered bringing the money inside the country for the expenses of the country. You are like more like FDI like that. Okay, so the money is not generated in Malaysia, it's generated from US stock. Okay, so in Bitcoin, recently the market, the government saying that they will do some taxation, okay, on certain elements, which I'm not very sure. But for the US stocks, okay, the capital gain when you bring in, up to this moment, the rule saying that Malaysia rule, okay, you are not taxable, because I think Malaysian government will thank you for doing this, because you are bringing in the money back to the country and to spend here. All right, Mr. Low. Okay, so you have, again, like I say, the best way, you let's say you want to get involved, we can't promise you in 1 month time, but we just let you know, if you really have the will to learn about investing and trading, especially using options, which I foresee that you are more like a short-term type of trader, you need to learn about options. Okay, so we're going to conduct our option course very soon. Okay, which actually is 8 and 9. Okay, if you want to join the course, you need to pay about few hundred ringgit, which outside charge you about 5,000. But with one condition, you must be a MTRADEGO user.
Oh, okay.
All right, I will send you the information. I believe that I have your detail, because you sign up with the webinar. All right.
Okay.
Okay. So okay, Peter, you have any more questions?
No, basically, I think we've already covered all grounds already. And excuse me. I mean, if Mr. Lu is clear so far, and we can follow up with each other, I think we are good for tonight, lah.
All right. Okay. Hey, Mr. Lu, thank you for joining us tonight.
Thanks,
Okay.
Mr. Lu. Thank you.
Yeah, we will send you a link, and you can click that link to join our group session. All right. So from there, a lot of members will ask you, and then if you want to learn more, you actually can just pay a few hundred ringgit. Okay, and then you can learn about options, and from there, I would say give yourself 6 months to 1 year to learn slowly with a small amount. Okay, don't go in like a big amount if you are not confident yet. Stock market is not a place for us to gambling. Okay, stock market is a place for us to make money. Okay, but I always say, but with knowledge and experience, especially in US market. Okay, we can provide you the knowledge, but the experience you have to gain yourself. And to gain this experience, you cannot do it within 1 month time. I have to be very frank with you. If I tell you one week, 1 month time, you can become super rich or whatever, okay, I'm lying to you. Okay, but I'm saying that if you give yourself 6 months to 1 year to learn, okay, and you will know that there is a lot of secret way for you to make money in US market, which other market cannot provide you, especially via the options. Okay.
And also, there's something that I'd like to add. If you do come across any other parties out there who claim that you can make fast money in the financial markets, word of advice is it's best to stay far away from that kind of group, because the financial market is a sure rewarding market if you do it right. And also, if you do it right, this is one source of income that is you can inherit it to your generations to come, your generation and your next generation, so on and so forth. That is what I like to add.
Yes, in US market, I wanted to say you can have a short-term income by collecting options premium, or okay, buy the options with a very little bit of money, okay, which actually we're going to guide in options 101 how to trade a basic options. And you want to collect the income in a monthly basis by owning a blue chip stocks. Okay, if you want to gain your wealth, okay, you can have 2 or 3 portfolio. Another portfolio is for you to collecting the stock. I myself, because I'm a very aggressive trader, also investor, I myself have 6 to 8 portfolio, and one of my portfolio is a cash portfolio. Okay, so I'm a full-time trader, investor, and also running a MTRADEGO platform. So basically, I just let you know, okay, if you want to be full-time here, okay, you can also, but you must take time to learn. There's no such thing like I'm actually in this line about 10 years already. And not many people can go more than 3 to 5 years time as a full-time trader and investor. Some of them making quick money and lost back very fast. Okay. And some of them cannot sustain also because of too greedy and don't have a proper risk management. And all this kind of thing is all up to individual. The moment, the longer you are in the stock market, you will know that actually stock market is very simple. But to make it very difficult and complex one, it's not the stock market, it's you yourself. Okay, I would call it, this is a psychological analysis. Okay, we have a technical analysis. It's very simple for you to catch up because all the software can provide you all the thing. Fundamental is very simple. Okay, if you know how to read, okay, what is profit, what is losses, okay, growth stock, okay, if you can see the prospect, you know the nature of the stock, all these are very simple. The only thing here is the moment we lost money is because we cannot control our emotions. We are not using our brain. We are using our heart. This is my personal experience. Okay, so I has gone through all these things. Okay, so I share with you why I in US stock market is because US stock market provide me a lot of tool. I gave you an example. If let's say I want to go to war, okay, Malaysia maybe only give me one bazooka only, okay, but in US market, I can have F-15, I can have carrier, big carrier, okay, I have bazooka, I have M16, I have all these things, okay. So it depends on how you use it. Even you have all these kind of tool, if you don't know how to use it, you misuse it with your emotions, okay, you will screw up also. Okay, but if you have all these tool, you start to know how to use it already. Okay, I can tell you it can be very rewarding, or else I won't stay here anymore. Okay, all right. Okay, so thanks a lot. Okay, Mr. Lu, because this is a 1 hour times. Okay, like I say, we welcome you to MTRADEGO. Okay, like I say, in MTRADEGO, we are not only give you a platform, okay, to trade, but the most importantly here is we want you to make money. Okay, we provide you the educations, and from that education you will learn. Okay, and by learning, you will start making money. All right. Okay, thanks, Mr. Lu. Thanks for coming. Okay, I think Peter, that's all for tonight. Okay, thanks for joining us. All right. Okay, this is a very sudden. I hope to see you very soon, Mr. Lu. All right. Thanks. Cheers.